Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements about Quad is correct? A. Quad is an official treaty-based military alliance. B. Quad functions mainly as a consultative platform for policy coordination and strategic dialogue. C. Quad members are legally obliged to defend each other in case of conflict. D. Quad membership is open to all countries in the Indo-Pacific region. Option B is correct. The Quad, Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, is not a formal military alliance like NATO. It is a strategic and consultative forum where India, US, Japan, and Australia coordinate on security, economic, and regional issues in the Indo-Pacific. Membership is limited to the 4 countries. It's essentially a flexible platform for dialogue and cooperation, rather than a treaty-bound alliance. Consider the following statements. 1. At present, tourism contributes around 5% to India's GDP, compared to the global average of 10%. 2. Tourism in countries like Spain and the UAE accounts for about 12% of GDP. 3. Improving the inbound share of tourism GDP will not only strengthen our external account but also provide a steady buffer against fluctuations in merchandise trade. Which of the above statements is correct? A. I and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. I and 3 only. D. I, 2 and 3. Answer, D. At present, tourism contributes around 5% to India's GDP, compared to the global average of 10%. Countries like Spain and the UAE, where tourism accounts for about 12% of GDP, illustrate the potential when the sector is treated as a national growth priority. In 2024, tourism generated $28 billion or 2,45,000 crore rupees in foreign exchange earnings for India. This is only a fraction of our potential. Improving the inbound share of tourism GDP will not only strengthen our external account but also provide a steady buffer against fluctuations in merchandise trade. Therefore, all the statements are correct.